All right, everybody, welcome back to Fish That Won't Quit. Today we're hitting the river, hopefully catching some coho. They're gonna probably be native, so it's just gonna be catch and release. Have a good time out there. All right, straight ahead is the river. Let's go. Let's go toss some spinners over there. Let's go. All right, everybody, we're back to the river, and it's so beautiful out here today. We're gonna see if we can get one on the first cast. We got our spinner from last time. That was successful, so let's give it a shot. What do you think? First cast? First cast in the waterfall. Let's get a little up there. All right, no on the first cast. Well, unfortunately, no fish right here, but we're going to the next spot. Let's move. All right, we're going to a brand new spot, never seen before. So hopefully we got some good fishing spots here. Come on. All right, guys, left. All right. Let's go to the left. You hear that? I hear the water. Is this the right way? We'll find out. You never know what to expect. You don't even know if it's a spot that's fishing. Sometimes you gotta just go to the waters and hope that you got a good hole. You never know, there could be just fish all over it. We're definitely walking through an area that's leading us to the river. It's getting tighter in here. Hey.
Hey, I smell fish.
You smell some fish? You smell that? It's getting fishy in here. Wow, look at this. Okay, oh, to the right. Oh, sorry, rods. This way. All right, moving through the forest here. Oh yeah, it's getting loud. Sounds like rapids. Oh, it's rapidy.
This is beautiful.
This is nice. Should we show the folk?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh my gosh, look at this hole over here. Oh my gosh.
I smell fish.
Let's get some fish. We gotta get down there first. I wonder if we walk back. There was like maybe a path. I mean, I could jump. That's not a problem. All right, I'm going. I wonder if we can get up that way. All right, coming.
He got behind that rock.
Gotta come over here if you can.
It's like, I can't even see my line. You must be right around that rock.
All right, all right. This is a mission. We have a ravine here. He probably is, yeah. So where is your line? Where is your line?
Right
Okay,
around that rock.
so yeah, you have to go up here to the left. Good job, babe.
He's gonna pull me off this way.
You're good. Just whatever you do, try not to let him into that current. This is a mission.
I'm gonna put more line out. Just to like, overall, oh, this is gonna be.
You're doing great, you're doing great. Oh, there she is. Good job.
I'm gonna go over in here.
Go down this creek. You're doing good, you're doing good. We gotta go. We're doing what we have to do.
It's red.
Oh yeah, it's still good. He's calm, he's very calm. It's a good thing.
Wow, right in the mouth. I'm gonna totally.
Just keep. I'm gonna stand.
I should go there.
No. Can you stand on these rocks to the right?
Yeah,
Yeah. You got your...
hole.
Oh yeah, big old hole. Yeah, try to get him in this ravine here. Probably a coho.
Hey, buddy.
Beautiful fish.
He's so tired. There you go.
Yeah, baby. All right. We got the coho on the spinner. Another buck. What's nice is it's not a treble hook. Yeah.
Okay, buddy.
All right. All right, he just hold his tail really. He can let go of his body. He's ready to go. Perfect, babe. Wow, great job.
That was so cool.
Yes. We did it.
Woo!
Beautiful fish.
Yeah!
We had, it was crazy here. It was so crazy in this area.
It was
As you can
wild.
tell, we're just on a cliff.
Hey.
Wow, babe. Congratulations, your first coho. That's the biggest fish you've caught.
Ever. I think the other one was just a trout.
Yep, you've only caught trout before this.
Yeah, it was trout and I
Bass.
watched you catch fish.
You caught the crappie,
Woo. Oh, yeah. the
but
little
not
crappie.
a big old coho.
That was so cool.
Good
It
job.
was a
man.
lot calmer than I thought it would
Yeah.
be. Is it older?
When they get darker, they get a little more calm.
Yeah.
Great
Wow.
job, babe.
It's an adrenaline.
Whew. That whole experience was adrenaline because it was like climbing mountains to get over here.
Seriously, that's crazy.
We're all caught the coho, and I need to catch a coho now. All right, guys, well, it was an amazing day. We came in the afternoon, see if we can catch something out here before the day's end. You know, it gets dark sooner now, but my girl got a beautiful coho, just turning slightly red, just so gorgeous, on the spinner. Again, that's today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.